Okay, cool. All right, so yeah, okay, so we're bullish. However, I am seeing the power of 4 right now, and it is making me consider taking a short. So we've run London's high here. The 3 minute, 5 minute. Yeah. Uh-huh. Sing. All right, we have some warning signals about taking this to the downside. All right, so I'm looking at the 1 and the 15. It's going crazy. I don't know about this one. Yeah, all right. So I like the way that it's looking, but we need a pullback. So we do have an imbalance forming here. So let's see if we're able to get a pullback into this imbalance, because otherwise we're just chasing this trade. $30 seconds left on this candle. So what I'm looking at is so I'd like to see a pullback into at least 62%. And then I think we could take this up. With the stop below, essentially below the swing. To 4225. Oh my god, my posture is atrocious here. Hold on. Let me get my inputs right here. Alright. Anyway, so yeah, so we could take we could take a long right there. The only thing that kind of scares me about this spot is that, what would my, maybe 134. If we could get it below 100, which we have it right there, that would be 242, 468. Hold on. Otherwise we missed it and we just have to take
order filled
right there. Why is this always so loud? That's my fault that I missed that. Alright. It is what it is. Alright, our stop is going to be at 18,74225. 18,742.25 is our stop. I will adjust this limit order later. Are we getting another nice pullback? Can I buy? Oh, yeah.
Order filled.
Let's take that opportunity to do so. Cool. 4250. All right, that's gonna be our stop. And we got to figure out where. Let's give this a second, because we could very easily have our stop just run right here, which it kind of looks like we might. Let's give this a minute, and then if it starts to look hopeful again, we'll get the rest of it set up. I hate when I can say this is a tricky area, but this is a tricky area because...
Stop filled.
Okay. Hold on. I'm trying to decide if I want to flip sides here because... we are in an area where I could see a really good move down, but I have to be careful here because I just lost a trade, so that means I have one more trade to go today, so if I mess this one up, that's it. I don't really... Okay, hold on. I'm feeling pretty convinced that this is looking like a sell. And we are...
Order filled.
Tentative limit, hold on. All right, let me set this up over here. So the reason I'm entering right here is because I also believe... Hold on, let me just set this up real quick. I'm feeling anxious. 737... And our stop is at 18,757.75. Yeah. Okay, cool. Oh my god. Am I gonna lose on both sides here? All right, we have a profit level of 18,675.75, 18,675.75, right there. which would bring us down into a bullish OB and bullish fib retracement level. This is an iffy area. I got that feeling like I'm going to get taken out on both sides here. All we can do is wait and see. We have our reasons for taking our chances on both sides here. And so hopefully the timing of this move is correct. We wait. All right, so hopefully this goes in our favor. This is set up for a reward to risk of my God, of 3 to 1. Oh, I don't feel good about this one. We have a retest to the 9 moving average in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so let's talk about the reasons why I went from a long to a short. Okay, so ultimately, looking at the way market structure looks prior to the open, I am bullish, right? And that's why I was looking at that possibility at getting in on that fair value gap, because that would have been an excellent opportunity to just take it up to get inside of that move. So the market ended up pulling down into that imbalance, but it did not stop. And so when it did not respect the initial candle that formed, the initial candle to the 3 that formed the fair value gap, and it ran that whole level, I made a decision to go short instead, because we are in an area where we have what I'm just going to call like the power of 3. We have liquidity, right? We have London's liquidity, which was run about 18,769.50. So somewhere in that area, London's liquidity was run. Ooh.
Stop filled.
Oh my God, that's 2 L's. Damn, so I hit my limit for the day. So I lost, that's sad. So we're right back down. So I lost 240 on the day. I'm only supposed to be able to lose 225, but whatever. All right, so basically I flip sides because we ran that level being this level right here. We ran this level. So sad. Anyway, so we ran this level. And so I thought to myself, all right, so we didn't respect that, so let's flip. And the reason I flipped is because we ran liquidity. We had an area where we've seen the market drop a multitude of times. Well, this whole area, we've seen that in the higher time frames. And we have both a bearish order block and a bearish overlapping Fibonacci retracement level. So basically that's the premise behind that, but it does not appear to have worked out. So I kind of think that we're gonna drop, but I could be wrong. When I look at the hourly, like I didn't feel like this looked too confusing this morning, and I try to stay away if it looks confusing, but this just didn't really seem all that confusing. It should have been, I feel like, easier to trade what I saw this morning. And, you know, when I look back, when I take a break and I look back, I might say that, like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have flipped sides. Maybe I should have stayed long. But, I don't know. Yeah, it's looking pretty bullish. It looks like in the 1 hour we pulled back to the... Am I looking at that? No. Yeah, we pulled back to the 20 moving average. Got over the 50 and then kind of bounced off of the 9. And now we have just straight bullishness. So it looks like it might be safe to say that the initial premise was more correct than the second. And okay, yeah, that's just a weird area for how I'm looking at it. But that's gonna be it for today, basically. I hit my max loss, so 2 in a row very quickly right out the gate. So that's a loss of $240 per account. So basically, like, what I'm trying to do is reduce my risk and see if I'm able to basically save this group of accounts that just took a payout and have a really low drawdown. So now my drawdown is going to be a max of 240. So I basically have like 2 more chances to get this account, to get this group of accounts out of the hole. And if not, then they're going bye-bye, which is a little bit sad. But that's it for today. I'll see you in trade review.